Yes, you should consider a moisture barrier under vinyl plank flooring in a bathroom because moisture exposure is frequent and can damage the subfloor and the flooring system over time. Vinyl plank flooring is available in different constructions, so first read the manufacturer guidelines for the specific product you plan to install, since those instructions determine warranty and acceptable substrate conditions. For installations over concrete, place a vapor barrier directly over the slab to stop ground moisture and capillary vapor transmission that can cause cupping, adhesive failure, or mold in the joist space. When installing over wood or plywood subfloors, many vinyl plank products include an integrated waterproof pad so you can skip an additional membrane, but confirm the product is rated for wet areas and the subfloor is flat, dry, and structurally sound before proceeding. Always measure subfloor moisture with a reliable meter and compare readings to the manufacturer limits. If readings exceed limits, remediate by drying or replacing the substrate rather than relying on an extra membrane alone. Seal perimeter seams and transitions with manufacturer-approved sealant where required and leave the recommended expansion gap. Constraining the floor can cause buckling or edge separation. Finally, use proper underlayment materials approved for wet areas. And follow room layout best practices like staggering end joints and rolling the planks after installation to ensure adhesive contact if using glue-down products. Common mistakes are assuming all vinyl planks are equally waterproof and skipping the manual check, so check product specifications and test the subfloor moisture before you install. Another mistake is neglecting to address seams and transitions, which leads to water intrusion at edges. So apply recommended sealants and install proper thresholds at entrances. A third mistake is installing directly over a damp concrete slab without a vapor barrier, which invites persistent moisture problems. So either lay a vapor barrier, raise the floor with a slim cement backer or approved underlayment, or choose a product explicitly rated for direct slab installation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find jobs related to projects like bathroom flooring. On our site, we also host a discussion community where we share experiences, ask technical questions, and get practical advice from other homeowners and professionals.